I think I think the state of drones in operations and construction has really been adopted over the last few years. And yeah, so I see it being used more like on every project on regular cadence basis, where before it was more like project specific, and they weren't really looking to invest in the hardware or the software. So I think it's really cool today to see drones being adopted and the software on majority of projects instead of just random ones.
So it's been a massive transition from, 2017 of very little regulation, very little buy-in, very little trust to
Mm.
a position now where we have the fidelity and accuracy to build more trust, where people believe that this data is accurate. They're more willing to, sub in this data instead of the maybe the more historical ways of executing it. So I think right now we're in a really exciting state of buy-in from most sides. And
I'll say on our side, the Texas Department of Transportation is all in with UAS and other remote sensing methods of collecting data for our projects. We started our program in 2022, where 100% of our UAS work was uh, sent out to consultants and contractors. And here we are, just a handful of years later. We've got 167 pilots spread across the state of Texas, and we're utilizing our UAS for quite literally everything from design level survey to social media content creation and kind of everything in between. And we're well beyond the part of can this be a tool that's used on our projects for reliable and accurate data.
Excellent. If I'm a beginner, I'm coming onto this call, I don't have any experience yet with our teams. What is the first step I should be thinking about as I begin this process?
I think probably Julie and I have similar paths where you kind of learn on the fly and learn the hard way. With trying different hardware and trying different software. If you want to be ahead and not do trial by error, I would definitely be consulting with some people. There's some really good professionals out there. It's really a small industry, and people don't mind helping people.
their life. Because yeah, we could collect data, till kingdom come. We could all fly BVLOS, and that's great. But if it's not actionable data for the end person, then what are we all doing out here? And that bridge is being built, and I think is being more established right now, which is very exciting.
And for Sergio, for within the Department of Transportation industry in the world across the United States, for those states who maybe haven't put their foot in the water yet or are slow to this, what are the first things they should be thinking about to get into this?
Absolutely.